In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a sentence mining database in Notion. Sentence mining is all about collecting real sentences, focusing on ones with just one new word and turning them into powerful study material. We'll build a simple, reusable system that keeps everything organized and ready to export to your flashcards. Start in Notion by creating a new page and naming it something like Sentence Bank or Sentence Mining so it's easy to find later. Inside that page, add a database. Type /table full and select Table View to create a full-page table. This gives you a clean spreadsheet-style workspace for fast entry and filtering. Next, set up the properties you'll depend on. Make the title column hold the main sentence in your target language. Add a text property called Translation for the English meaning. Add unknown item as a text or select property to highlight the specific word or phrase you are learning. Great. For keeping those IFAO sentences, front and center. Add source as a select or text property so you can note where the sentence came from. Like Netflix, a book, or YouTube. Create a context property for quick notes about the scene or nuance. Finally, add a status select with options such as New, Mind to review, and Known to track progress at a glance. To save time, create a template for new entries. Click the arrow next to the blue New button and make a template that pre-fills sections like grammar notes or definitions in the page body. This keeps each entry consistent and reminds you what to fill in. Now, create views that match your workflow. Keep a table view for fast input. Add a board view grouped by status so you can drag cards from New to Mind and beyond. Set up filters to show only items where status is new, or items that haven't been transferred to Anki yet. So your daily work queue stays focused. When you read or watch media, look for sentences with only one unknown word. Add them to Notion right away. Paste the sentence. Add the translation and context. Tag the source and set status to new. Periodically, review your database. Promote entries through the statuses and when they feel solid, export or copy them into your flashcard system, such as Anki. For spaced repetition, a few high-quality sentences every day compound quickly. And with this setup, your study flow stays simple, repeatable, and motivating. Thanks for watching.